Alright, so if you're a poor and unfortunate bastard where your battery gauge pretty much looks like that all the fucking time, and your truck ain't charging, and your lights are dim, and well, you're driving a Dodge, more than likely, you're going to have a couple codes, probably 2 codes. It's going to be something to do with the battery charging system and battery voltage output or some shit like that. Well, what you going to do, pop your hood, come on out here, and so you're going to check your batteries. You got the crossover cable right there, and it just runs happily over a bunch of bullshit. Then it kind of goes down in there underneath some shit, comes back up right fucking here. So all it does is connect your positive terminal on this battery to the positive terminal on that battery, and that's what it does. Well, if you don't have good connections, which I mean obviously you can see mine look like absolute dog shit, but I kind of cleaned them up for now, so I get some new, connectors and everything. So if those connections are shit, your batteries ain't going to charge. Your battery gauge is going to read low or 0, or your truck ain't going to start because your batteries ain't been charging, and you've been driving the fucker for like 4 days while your batteries are dying. So a good way to test is get a jumper cable and run from the positive terminal on one battery while your truck's running. Start your truck up, run from one battery to the other, connect them, and when you get in your truck, your battery gauge should be reading normal. Should go up. So I hope that kind of helps some people. If that is your case, just clean up all your connections. Get some new connectors. I have a brand new alternator on this thing, so that's what I found it to be, just shitty connections. So yeah, thanks.